Hey everyone, welcome back to MyFitMed. Today we are talking about a topic that's essential for anyone looking to boost their overall health, multivitamins. Whether you are new to the world of supplements or just looking for ways to enhance your daily routine, this video is going to cover why multivitamins are must-have in your wellness arsenal. So let's dive right in. First of all, let's talk about why multivitamins are so beneficial. In our busy lives, it's not always easy to get all the nutrients our body needs from food alone. That's where multivitamin comes in. They are designed to fill in those nutritional gaps and ensure you are getting the essential vitamins and minerals your body needs to function at its best. From boosting your immune system to supporting a brain function, multivitamin plays a crucial role in keeping you healthy and energized. Now, you might be wondering, out of all the supplements out there, why are multivitamin considered number one supplement to take? Well, it's simple. Multivitamin provides a comprehensive blend of essential nutrients in one convenient package. So instead of having to take multiple different supplements to meet your daily needs, quality multivitamin can cover a wide range of vitamins and minerals all at once. This makes it easier to stay consistent with your supplementation and ensure you are getting a balanced intake of nutrients every day. You may need an extra boost for some other vitamins like vitamin D3 or vitamin B12, but multivitamin will give you the overall nutrients. Let's break down some of the specific benefits of taking a multivitamin. For starter, they're excellent for your immune health. Vitamins like vitamin C, D3, and zinc, which are commonly found in multivitamin, are essential for maintaining a strong immune system. Another benefit is energy production. B vitamins, which are often included in multivitamin, helps convert the food you eat into energy, keeping you feeling vibrant and focused throughout the day. And let's not forget about the bone health. Vitamin D and calcium, which are often included in multivitamins, works together to keep your bones stronger and healthy. So if you are looking to improve your overall health, adding a multivitamin to your daily routine is a great place to start. They are an easy, convenient way to ensure you are getting the nutrients you need, especially on the days when your diet isn't quite perfect. Thanks for tuning in to MyFitMed today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness related video. And if you're already taking a multivitamin, let me know in the comment how it's been working for you and which multivitamin has worked best for you. See you next video.